Alright, I finally made it to 123. Sign back there said crooked and steep for 7 miles. So let's check it out. So far, I mean, some curves on here have been nice, sweeping curves. I don't know if there's any switchbacks, but if it's crooked and steep, I would imagine there is. There's a long curve right here. Sweeping curve. Yeah, this one's 35. Let's see what I can take that at. Let's see. I took that at 45, maybe about 46. It's definitely crooked. It's definitely fun. See, this is a 45. Yeah, I'm gonna take that at 55. Let's see. So far, I'm loving this road. Yep, Mt Judy. Now around here they say Mt Judy. That's anywhere else that'd be Mt Judea. But they want you to call it Judy, so that's what I'm doing. There it is. 10-mile-an-hour curve coming up in town. So let's slow down. General store. I don't know how fast I was going there. I was too busy trying to pay attention. Alright, so where are we at? Alright, 123 south. Crooked and steep next 5 miles. Drive with care. See that? Alright, let's see what happens. I think I remember this road. I took some road 3 years ago, and it was, I was climbing, and it was switchbacks, 10, 15 mile an hour curves, and this might be it. I can't remember. I think somebody told me it was this Mt Judy. Yeah, it might be. I have a feeling this is it. Let's see, let's check it out. Because I remember I got so far into this, and then it was just like, I was like climbing up a hill or something like that. Just, you know, brief memories of it. It's beautiful out here. It's starting to warm up. I'll have to stop and take some of these layers off. That's the thing about being in the mountains. You don't know. I mean, you kind of know it's going to be cold, but you don't know when it's going to necessarily warm up at the right time to where you can just stop and take some layers off. And 'cause, I mean, you get up in the mountains, it's like, okay, the temperature dropped again. And like, oh man, do I need to put them back on? A little twisty. I should have geared down a little bit on that one. That's alright. It bogged on me a little bit, not too bad. There it is, 10. I think this is it. It looks familiar. Slow down. A little bit. Yeah, this is it. I remember now. Yep, this is definitely it. Look at this, steep curves. I definitely, I hate seeing that breakup of pavement like in a curve like this. I don't know if I caught that on film, but there was like a big patch of broken away pavement. I'm trying to keep it in second. There's a couple times I was in first. Oh. Just do a little friction zone there. See? Little friction zone, get you, keep it in second, and roll on. Look through the curve. I'm seriously not trying to give you tips. I'm just remembering what I was told. This is not a tips video. This is a don't be me video. No, I'm just kidding. I usually ride pretty safe. I mean, I ride aggressive sometimes, but I'm not a nut. I'm not talking that much because I'm, kind of trying to pay attention. Kind of have to. But I don't know. I guess kind of talking too, it kind of helps with, I don't know. Maybe helps you through the curves. It's just kind of like it keeps your mind off it, but yeah, at the same time you're concentrating. If that makes sense. It's beautiful through here. Only bad thing about roads like this, you can't really enjoy the scenery because you're too busy, like, you got to keep eye on these curves, and what if something comes out in front of you while you're taking these curves? Definitely don't want to wreck up here. I wonder if I even have cell phone service. Probably not, because it's so, I don't know, rural, I guess is the right word. It's funny, you get in curves like this and you're like 5 miles or like the Dragon, 11 miles, it ain't gonna take that long. Yeah, you're taking curves at 2 in second gear. I think that's the worst of it. Oh gosh, see this view. I don't know if I can get that was just kind of a quick glance back there. See that, hopefully. Yeah, that looks like a bad spot right there. Judy. So if you get a chance, come out here and ride Mount Judy. Stay on 123. You'll see it in the brochure. If I remember correctly, it's the Twisted Lady, and Mount Judy is mentioned in the map. So definitely go down to 123. That's pretty much it for this video. Might have a couple curves coming through here before I get out of here. Yeah, just some sweeping curves, not some switchbacks, but still fun to ride. Good times. But I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all the people who have commented and liked my videos. And always, if you're like me, rip it, baby. Rip the ride. See y'all later.